friend from friend 2, nagustuhan din yung business, naglagay din ng $1,000, automatic, you will get 11%. So 11% of $1,000 is $110. So in this case, kumita ka ng $210. Okay? So meron siyang binary program. This is binary, so meron siyang left and right. Okay? So 11% din yung pairing bonus. So in direct referral book, 11%, then pairing bonus is 11% din. So plus another $110, so total of 110, total of $330. How much in dirhams yung 330? Like mga ano, like 1,000 dirhams, tama ba? 1,000 EED. So 1,000 EED, pwede na rin extra money.